ain't good. Little brake boost. Got turbo Volvos, Beamers, Skylines, STIs, Mustangs, Chargers, whole bunch of fucking Subarus. There's a turbo QR25 Altima a little bit ago, a bunch of Beamers. About to head out to the main meet here soon. Alright, here we are, 2020 Civic Type R, hopefully gonna have us a little run tonight. It's on low boost, 20 pounds of boost. I did lean the air-fuel ratios out a little bit. It's at 18.5 degrees of timing. So it should be right at about 350 wheel, 400 wheel torque, somewhere around there. So we will see how she does, man. Got the big old fucker on there.